Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you. Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and I have for you an HKS Supra sequential blow-off valve removed from a BG5 legacy here in Japan in good working condition. The valve itself and the flange here. Of course, the flange can be used with many different vehicles and modified to suit any particular turbo vehicle. The valve here is a universal blow-off valve and good for any turbo vehicle. So the sequential blow-off valve by HKS in good tidy condition, as you can see here. The sequential blow-off valve is a diaphragm type blow-off valve. We'll go to a closer shot here. It has a diaphragm in this area here. The diaphragm is pushed on by the boost pressure from below and also pulled on by the inner manifold vacuum. So when the boost pressure is enough to overcome a spring, which is in this area here, then the the diaphragm pulls on a small piston. The piston releases the boost through the front funnel or trumpet here, making that very distinctive HKS super sequential valve sound. The diaphragm, of course, resisted by the spring, and the tension on the spring can be adjusted by winding in and out this little bolt here and locking in place with a locking nut. So an adjustable type super sequential blow-off valve, sequential because of the small little movements it can make with the diaphragm type, and allowing those little chirps and squeaks sounds that the super sequential is renowned for. So as you can see, in tidy condition, a few little marks and scratches, some stains and that, but in very good condition. We'll run through some further photos from the other side here. We can see likewise, again, very tidy, very clean. The flange there, good tidy condition, 100% working order, and a close-up of the valve itself, again there. You can see minor little cleaning scratches and a little bit of corrosion, but a very, very tidy example, one of the more tidy examples we have. And the back of the unit, again, very tidy, very clean. This is the spring housing here, the nipple which goes to the inner manifold, and the tensioning bolt and locking nut on the back here. Spring housing, of course, in this area here. And finally, the front shot showing the little piston here, which of course is pulled on by the diaphragm, which is at the back side there. And when the piston pulled back and forth, of course, it allows the boost to squeeze around the edge here of this little valve, this little purpley pink valve here, releasing little sequential bursts of boost. So the super sequential blow-off valve, made in Japan, from Japan. Thank you. In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.